Hey, feeling good, like I should.
Hey, what's up you guys, it's Jocelyn. Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I'm going to vlog my weekend. I'm actually not working as much this weekend, which is abnormal. So I just thought I would bring you guys along kind of on my Saturday and Sunday chill day. Oh, I can't believe I just said that. Okay, so today is Saturday, March 30th, and today is just honestly kind of a chill day. It's really nice outside. We're probably gonna go to the beach, but right now we are cleaning. My entire house is torn apart, so we're all like vacuuming, cleaning, mopping. I literally just like mopped my floor. Anyways, not like you care. So Tyler is coming over in a few, help me finish putting my room back together, and we're gonna be vlogging. Hey guys, so you guys can probably hear the vacuum running right now. Yeah, so I'm about to go to the beach. Tyler's about to come over, and I just wanted to show you guys. Yesterday, Tyler got me AirPods, and I was super surprised. I'll enter the clip of me opening them right now. Curious. A box!
Open the pretty box.
Stop. You're playing.
Open the box.
I know, I see them.
Yeah. Are you crying?
Yeah.
What? They're the second gen ones. They just came out like...
And yeah, it was super sweet of him, and I don't deserve it, but I love him. Thank you, Tyler. And yeah, so this is my bathing suit. I got it at Target.
Ooh.
So in my last video, I said that I found the artist, George Ezra. I love this artist. I just found him. His name's George Ezra. Tyler actually found the artist.
I showed her, and I showed her the song she used in the video. So,
I apologize. So basically, I had this mirror of like signatures and everything for a very long time, probably since 2017. This is the very first thing Tyler wrote. He said you good, bro. So, yeah. Yeah.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in circle, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever.
Hey guys, so it's been quite a while. It's actually almost 5 o'clock right now. I have to go into work from 5 to 8, which is not a long shift at all. Anyways, Tyler just left because he also has to work like 5 to 9:30. And then after, we're gonna go see a movie with a few of our friends. And yeah, it's gonna be great. We're gonna see Captain Marvel. So yeah, today was just basically a really chill day. We just kind of like sat, watched movies once we came home from the beach. Hey guys, so I'm home from work right now. And literally the process of me getting home from work to right now was so long. Basically, a trailer was carrying another trailer, and it like dropped the other trailer right in front of the entrance of my neighborhood, and it blocked the entrance and the exit. So I had to park right outside my neighborhood, and yeah. Hey guys, so basically long story short, I'm an outfit vlogger. I didn't vlog last night at all. It's now Sunday. I'm getting ready to, oh god, I can't talk. I'm getting ready to go to church.
Neither. Oh my god, I'm so happy that they won. What? Texas Tech beat Gonzaga. Like I said, that's $10. We are at Big Apple Bagels in an undisclosed location. How's that?
Good.
Get in the vlog.
What'd you get?
Northern omelet on a bagel.
Cool.
With peppers and tomatoes.
Nice. Dropping Tyler off, and then I'm going. I don't even know where I'm going. But I'm running errands, so.
There we go.
If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends and they call your friends. Baby, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends and they call your friends. Baby, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Alright, I'm ready now, ready now. I ain't gonna fall back down now. Alright, I'm taking on me, take it on me.